First of all, we need to go to settings. In settings, we're gonna scroll down in order to find security and privacy, and let's go over here. Now we're gonna scroll down in order to find the app lock option. In this case, press got it. Now we can tap on this switcher in order to turn it on. However, if you didn't set up privacy password yet, then we have to do that. So press setting in that case, and then we can set up the privacy password. We can also tap over here, use a different password type in order to choose a different one. So let's say I'm gonna choose 4 digits, a simple PIN code. If the password is common, then of course you will see this information. Then we have security settings, where you can set up either a recovery email or a question. So I'm gonna set up an easy question. You can choose one of these available questions, or you can even create your own custom question that can hint you later on what can be the password in case you forget it. Once the app lock is enabled, from this list of available apps, you can choose which apps should be locked with the privacy password. So we can tap on the switcher right next to it in order to set up the password. Well, not set up the password, but to enable the password for the selected app. You can also use the fingerprint sensor. If you have fingerprint unlock option set up on your phone, then you can use it as well. In case this option didn't appear on your screen, you can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner, go to set now, and over here we have other unlock methods where we can use fingerprint or the face unlock. So now if I try to open the locked app, as you can see, I have to either use biometrics or I have to use the privacy password. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.